Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we'll be reviewing affordable makeup products I got from Elo Ose Store. So at the end of the video, we'll get to know if it's a buy or not buy. But I think it is a buy. So let's get right into the video. First off, the makeup package is 50,000 naira and it contains foundation, concealer, setting powder, makeup brush set, and what else? What does it contain? Powder palette. But let's just get right into the video so you see what it contains, because I don't want this video to go long. So let's get right into the video. So first off, we're going to be starting with this foundation. The foundation is Bisham by Ageless. This is the second time I'm using this foundation, and let me put it out there that I've not used foundation more than once in my entire life. I like changing my foundation so that I can actually I just like trying different foundations. From the time I was using Mary Kay, Tara, Classic, what Mark, and the likes. While I was in school, I was using those foundation. I never repeated any foundation, but I got this foundation in 2022. Elo said yes. Elo said plugged me to it in 2022, and it got finished recently. That was the more reason I even had to do this 50k package that Elo is doing, and I got this foundation. So let's just review this foundation, guys. Foundation is Bisham by Ageless. It is one of the best foundation I've used my entire life. See how it blends so well with the skin. That's why I love this foundation. It blends so well with the skin. And another thing is that it's long lasting. This foundation is very long lasting, and then it lasts. Like when you apply this foundation, you hardly break a sweat. I promise you. Like my makeup has been on my face for hours now, and see, you will hardly break a sweat with this foundation. I don't know, this is the second time I'm using this product. My entire life, I've not repeated the foundation. This is the first time I'm repeating foundation, and that's because it is good and it is affordable. So the next thing I got from Elo Ose is this brush set, and it contains the major brushes you will need. I'm not a makeup artist, so I really do not even use so many brushes. But then if you really know how to do makeup, everything is in this brush set. Everything. Powder brush, angle brush, the one for eyeshadow, everything. Look at guys. Everything is in this brush set. The next thing I'll be reviewing is this primer. And this primer, it is oil control base. I think it controls oil, and this is the first time I'm using this primer. Normally I use hydrating primer. I've used hydrating primer, you know, those primer that it feels like what's it called, water, hair. But this one has color, kind of. The one I use feels like water, but this one has color. So at first I was like, oh, will this primer be good? But I promise you the primer is really good. See, it makes your makeup stay. It actually makes your makeup stay. This primer is so good. When I used it at first, it was leaving I because it was white, so I thought it would leave like a white cast on my face. But when you blend well, it is very good. Our powder palette. This powder palette is really nice. I used to use a MAC compact or press powder, if that's the right one. I think compact, but because this powder is good, I had to give away my MAC powder, and I was like, since this one has different shades, let me just do this and give that away. What am I doing with so many powders? And it is really good. I promise you, this powder, amazing. There's this blush. I hardly use blush, but since this came with the package, I actually love it. I will not even lie, I love it. Especially this color that feels like orange. Just Guys, see, it's not doing too much, but it is doing too much. And the next thing that comes in this package is an eyeshadow palette. At first, I was like, because I'm not really an eyeshadow girly. So at first, when I saw this eyeshadow from the picture they sent me when my delivery people went to pick it up, I was like, will this eyeshadow be good? Cause like I was like, I saw this so white, so I was like, I'm seeing too many whites. Are you sure this eyeshadow will be good on my hair? And she was like, beauty, please. But when it came, I really love the colors that came with it, and they are pigmented. Yes. However, this package does not come with an highlighter, so I actually use this gold eyeshadow color at the down as my highlighter. Then there's beauty blender for your foundation. What else comes with this package? Yes, concealer. This is for concealer. There's also another blender. This blender to conceal right here. This comes with the package also, and two eye pencil comes with the package also, which is really good because you know how this eye pencil gets finished. So this is what I use in lining my lip. This is what I use in lining my lip, and also for my brows, as you can see. And there's this gloss that comes with the package. This is what I use on my lip also. You see, guys, the package actually comes with a lipstick, but Elo Ose insisted a gloss would do, and she replaced it with something else. But if you have to get their package, it comes with a lipstick, darlings. There's a mascara too with the package. There is a mascara. Guys, it's been long I used a mascara, but getting this mascara, like, is really good. Look at, can see how defined. There's a concealer too with the package. At first, I was finding it difficult to use this concealer. I will not even lie, because I was like, oh, but I think that day I was in a rush when I was using it, so it felt like it was hard, but it is not hard. I actually used concealer today and it blended well. So yeah. Then there's setting powder. This setting powder is OG Benai. You know Benai? Yes. When I saw this Benai, I was like, oh, like this package is worth it. Because Benai used to be expensive back then. I don't know the price now, but it was expensive. So imagine Benai being in a 50K package makeup. So yes, it is good. I recommend. Setting spray, baby. I actually love this setting spray. It just blends and sets the whole makeup look at the end of the day. So I totally recommend. Like, it just gives you that. You see that instant glow it gives. Just look at the glow. Hello, sir. Thank you. You can pay on installment for this makeup product. Like, you can pay twice, or you can pay 3 times. But sure, you can pay instrumentally for the product. And yes, so you can contact them on Instagram, elo_ose. Yes, honestly, this is a complete makeup set. The only thing missing in this package is highlighter, but you can always use your eyeshadow for an highlighter, and it works well. So guys, what do you think of this package? Do you think it is a buy or not? Honestly, I think it is a buy. And yes, you can always check them out on Instagram at Elo Ose. Elo underscore Ose. Yes, Elo underscore Ose. So guys, if you want me to review more products, do send me a DM or let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe so that other people might get to see this video. I see you in my next video. Bye.